Hey guys, showing you this Fanwer shoulder pulley, over the door pulley system for shoulder rehab, the shoulder exercise pulley for physical therapy. So I have a assistant rotator cuffs recovery or anything. So here this comes. So you can see that will go in the back of the door. This is the carry bag that you can carry this into it. These are the handles. So this is the pulley and the soft thing for the door. So it's a good strength rope here, and then you can adjust these, and there's the handles to carry or hold these handles. So this go on the door like that in the back side, and then it will set it up like this. So you can see the pulley is there, so you can use this and then strengthen up that.